India reported 54,069 new COVID-19 cases, 68,885 discharges, and 1,321 deaths in the last 24 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry data. The COVID-19 recovery rate has increased to 96.61%, and the weekly positivity rate is at 3.04%, according to the Health Ministry data. The Union government has asked states which have reported Delta plus variant cases to stringent the containment zones and to increase testing to contain the new variant. Over 40 cases of Delta plus variant have been reported from Maharashtra, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Jammu and Kashmir have also reported Delta plus variant cases. A study by Oxford University scientists and researchers has found that AstraZeneca and Pfizer COVID-19 vaccines are effective against Delta variants of the virus. Delta variants are becoming a matter of concern due to their higher transmissibility and severity. Maharashtra administered over 6 lakh COVID-19 vaccines on Wednesday, which was the highest number of vaccines administered in the state so far. The state had administered over 5 lakh vaccinations on the day 2 of the central government's vaccination scheme. The World Health Organization has said that the Delta variant, which has been found in 85 countries, is expected to become a dominant lineage if the current trends continue. The WHO said that it is also monitoring 3 other variants, Alpha, Beta, Gamma, along with Delta, which are a matter of concern. The European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control has said that the Delta variant will circulate extensively in summer and could account for 90% of new cases in Europe by the end of August. It said that particularly the younger generation is likely to be affected as vaccination drives are focusing only on senior citizens. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will chair an all-party meeting with the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir to discuss several issues about the Union Territory. This is the first meeting between the Prime Minister and local parties from Jammu and Kashmir after the abrogation of Article 370 and the conversion of Jammu and Kashmir into 2 Union territories. John McAfee, the creator of the McAfee antivirus software, has been found dead in his cell in a jail near Barcelona. A Spanish court hours earlier had issued a preliminary ruling in favor of John McAfee to extradite him to the United States. He was accused of tax-related criminal charges. Hundreds of people stood in long queues to buy the last edition of the Apple Daily newspaper in Hong Kong. The newspaper was forced to shut down after authorities froze its assets under the new national security law. The newspaper was closed 4 days after it celebrated its 26th anniversary.